Yo tengo el Gucci drip. Cuando yo vaya, don't flip. Bringing you back with that clip. No, I'm not crease, don't you trip. Yo tengo el Gucci drip. Cuando yo vaya, don't flip. Bringing you back with that clip. No, I'm not crease, don't you trip.
What is actually poppin', YouTube? How you been? How you doing? How your freaking day been? Comment down below because you don't want that. I'ma just quickly tell y'all how my day been. I am sick, I am dying, but you know, I still wanted to get this video out to y'all, you feel me? Cause this wig seems promising. It feels very, very promising. So I just felt like I needed to share it with the world, or my subscribers at the very least. So first off, it comes in a box like this. I kind of opened the box already, and it also had a cute little blue ribbon on it, very cute, but never mind that. So this is the wig, because that's what we're here for. This is the wig. It is 18 inches of silky straight, and they have, it's the Skin Melt Wig, and it's called that because basically it comes everything. Pre-plucked, pre-bleached. It comes with this little adjustable strap in the back that you can like bra strap it on and off if you want. I personally don't want to use it, so I'm not. And then it also comes with 1, 2, 3, 4 combs and adjustable straps at the back. Excuse me. So yeah, and then it also has a new method, new technology, where basically the knots are single knotted. So it's called the invisible knot method. So it comes pre-bleached, but then, you know, always a few little knots don't want to bleach. But basically you can see how on the ones that didn't, you know, the little stubborn knots, it's like one single hair coming out of that knot, rather than like 4 or 5 hairs coming out of that knot. Like on a regular wig, show you here, on a regular wig, it'll have much larger knots. And those much larger knots make it harder to bleach the hair, make it harder to even pluck the hair, make it harder for the hair to look undetectable. And then, last but not least, it has the transparent or invisible Swiss lace. The lace is super, super thin, as you can tell. Like, honey, find it. So, yeah. We're just gonna go ahead and get into, like, you know, applying it and stuff. So, like I said, it's super beginner friendly. So if you've never had a wig before, this would be a great one to start with, because everything is already done for you. You don't have to learn how to bleach knots, don't know how to pluck the hairline, none of that, because it's already done. Okay. So I already put the adjustable straps on, so we're just gonna go ahead and slide it out. I'm not putting on a wig cap because I'm bald and my hair is blonde. There's no point in me wearing a wig cap. It just doesn't make sense. And it also comes with a 13x6 parting space. I don't know if I mentioned that or not, but yeah, 13 by 6 parting space. So it goes all the way back to here, which is like the middle of my head. And that it's 13 by 6 all the way to here, like right here. And then right here, it's like maybe like 2-3 inches going back. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this lace off and then come back and show you how I like tack it down. This is how I'm gonna start wearing my wigs. Period. I'm gonna use this. There we go. The freeze spray. I'm gonna just spray it all over my forehead. Oh, dang it, that's my hair. Okay. Ooh. Okay. we just gonna go like this. Right there. And then we go come back down. Alright. And now we here. We press. It's like this side is pretty much laid down ish, but now I just gotta go back with the hairspray and spray wherever it didn't, you know, lay down. As you can already see, like, it's like melting into my skin. Like, it's just a freaking peering into my skin. So now I'm just gonna take my little comb, like the back end of my comb thing, and press it down. I'm gonna start wearing my hair like this. This is a look. This is a look, okay? Period. So basically what's going on right here is I just kind of like pulled out the very front hairs. I'm not about to make baby hairs because I feel like I'm not going to need any baby hairs with this, but I pulled out the very front hairs so that I could just like pull down the lace basically, and then I'm just gonna like, you know, push them right back up whenever the lace is laid down. Alright, now everything's like laid down, so I'm gonna put a wrap strip on it. Okay, so here we are. And honey, it is melted. Ignore that little crusty part right there, but now, I did not put any kind of powder or foundation, anything, okay? I didn't put anything on this hair. All I did was apply it with the hairspray. Okay, hairspray. Okay, that's it. All I did was apply it with hairspray. Period. And it is laying marvelously, okay? Marvelous. Now, I'm not gonna lie to you, there are some crusties that I need to, like, you know, fix that, but it's hot, I'm sweating, I'm still sick, so I'm gonna come back after I style it and, you know, finish. Like, I think I'm gonna add a few little baby hairs just because I like the way that it looks, not because it needs it, because, like, period, like, find my lace. Find my lace. Yeah, the only thing I would say is a con for this is I have a small head, so I would hope to see them get some smaller cap sizes, because I feel like they only have one. So some smaller cap sizes so that it fits like small people's heads, you know? And because it is like the lace is so thin and melts perfectly into your freaking scalp, it needs to like, it's difficult, especially if you're a beginner, because I had to finesse. It's difficult to keep it down if it's not the right like size cap. So that'll be my only cons. That's about it, but it blends perfectly with my skin. So, and then like this, it looks like really bright right here because I didn't feel like putting on a wig cap. So yeah, that's the only part I'm gonna put like powder in because my hair is like super blonde showing through. But other than that, wonderful. So I'm gonna style it and then come back. So it is straightened, it is laid. Okay, laid. What? Sis. We're laid. We're laid and we're slayed. Okay, period. So this hair is 18 inches and it goes down to like the middle of my back, waist area. And I'm 5'3½", which makes me 5'5", okay? Don't correct me. Period. And yeah, that's it. We're done. Period. We're done. And I'm gonna go lay down because when I tell you I'm dying, I'm sweating, I can't function. So Afsisterwigs, Skin Melt Wig, all that information is going to be linked in the description box below. Yeah, get you one. Period. Bye-bye. Okay, I just wanted to come back on and say that I switched it to a side part because middle part's just not for me. I like side parts. So that's what we have. That was it. Okay, bye-bye. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. You know, let me know how you feel about this wig, how you feel about this lace, how you feel about this scalp, okay? Let me know how you feel about this scalp, rather, okay? Comment it down below how you feel about this scalp, okay?
Yo tengo el Gucci drip. Cuando yo vaya don't flip. Bringing you back, oh that's click. No, I'm not crease, don't you trip. Yo tengo el Gucci drip. Cuando yo vaya don't flip. Bringing you back, oh that's click. No, I'm not crease, don't you trip.